been a few months since Yashica last did their announcements for the FX-D series, but for the backers, it has finally came. It is January 20th. It just came in the mail today. I got the FX-D S300, so it's the one with the EVF finder. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be for a film camera or digital film camera, but the box looks like it's good quality for a box. So it looks like we got a accessory box here, and then here's the, wow, that actually doesn't even look that bad. I don't know if, hopefully if the GoPro can see this too good, but for a box, I mean, we know the quality it's going to end up as. I already have my hunches, but this is a cool ass looking box to look at. Like, I really, like, not to glaze them. By the way, this is like $500. By the way, $500. Looks like digital film simulation camera with EVF. They put on the bottom. Pairing, replaceable lithium-ion battery. Equips with, okay, 50 megapixels, effective megapixels. I guess for like the better view. It says, hold the moment, live in the frame. Yashica FX-D S300 savors every shot. I don't know if this is printed or like someone actually wrote on this. I don't know. We got the user manual here. Very nice. Safety instructions. Don't care. Let's see how easy it is to get started. Installing the battery, product overview, the spiels, digital. I'll probably have to look at the film thing because I was looking at the film steps or the video they were showing to set up the film. And I'll have to see. Okay. This is another accessory. Wow. Wait, is this the camera? The camera's very small. Oh my god. It's a lot smaller than it looks like in the pictures. I mean, and it's super light. I mean, hold on, let me look at my thing. Like, this is a very light camera. This feels like a point and shoot. The Pentax, the half-frame Pentax camera, it kind of feels like that quality. Like, this is what it's reminding me of. The size and, like, the kind of quality. Let me just get rid of all the stickers here. Okay. Well, that's the quality. Let's see the... Got the Yashica lens, wide 24mm equivalent, 1.8, and looks like interesting that, so it kind of locks every time you try to do, so 24, 35, 50, and 60 millimeters, and then D, I don't know what D means. I think that might, oh, I don't know. I would have to read the thing, but, oh, I love the peel. Is this a flippable? Oh, you can't even, okay, interesting. You can't even flip the... You can't flip the LCD screen. I thought you could, but so that's another thing. So I guess you can do a, you know, if you want to do like a third person selfie shot, but if you want to flip the camera and hopefully not fucking break it, that's too bad. Okay, I didn't know that. This is the Yashica battery. Yashica 400 chain thing, don't care, garbage. Looks like to be a strap, okay. And this just looks like to be a camera strap. Serial number. Keep this warranty card with the original inventory, terms of service. Warranty card. Oh, it doesn't tell you how long. Okay, so you get a warranty card just in case. Stickers and the lens cleaner thing. That's what that is. Ooh, a Yashica bag holder to put battery charger, a spare battery, two USBs, hot shoe mount. So we can get rid of this shitty plastic one. Don't got to worry about that anymore. You can put on the silver. Ooh, that does look nice. Here we go. It turned on. What a complicated interface. Here's the interface on first glance. I guess 50 megapixels battery, and the battery's dead. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, if you do the... Ooh, interesting. So if you do the... let's see what the EVF looks like. Honestly, it's not that bad for a $500 camera. Black and white. Oh, okay. I figured out that you press this button for the vivid, natural, saturated, blue tone, yellow tone, green tone, red tone, tone. We got high contrast, we got warm, cold, red, green, etc. Standard. So the changing the distance, if you see on the wheel here, when you're looking at the camera, you know how when you have an actual like a telephocal lens, you go from like, so like say a 24 to 75, you can see the distance actually changing. For this one, it just changes it immediately. Like you just have like a second where the screen cuts out. It doesn't like cut out. You can still see the video or the feedback on the screen, but it just cuts to that one, which is Interesting. I'm gonna have to actually use this in the real world to see how the quality comes out. But it's a very small camera, very light. If people like that, like I can see myself like just putting this in my fanny pack or something, like, or just traveling around. Besides that, the wheel is it's nothing to write home about. Or sorry, the shutter release thing. There's like a noise here, but that's really it. It's very loose too. It's very maybe there's a feature in pressing the button. This button doesn't press all the way. It's like you know how like you would think in a film camera, you press it and then it does the click thing. It's just like you can half press it, and then you can full press it a little bit. It's kind of light there, but there's no like click thing, no fancy like just like your regular film cameras would be. But hey, what do you know? The viewfinder looks great. I like that feature. I don't like that you can't flip the screen. Like we all have greasy faces, especially me. So like my greasy chud face is gonna get all over the screen. It's gonna look disgusting. Also, if I throw it in a backpack when I'm traveling or something, I forget about it. It's gonna scratch the screen. I'm gonna have to, I don't know, use my warranty card to fucking fix it or something. There's also the fact that it's like they were like, you know what, never mind, let's not do it. But they have the logo on the back of the screen for like no one to ever look at. Like, okay, I'm gonna do a selfie. Maybe some dude is gonna walk by and be like, "Oh, that's Yashica, cool." It's a useless logo on the back. I like the thumb holder. That's very convenient. Otherwise, it doesn't seem like a complicated camera. It's not a fake product. It exists. It's right here in my hands. And I'm not paid or supported by the... thank you for watching. This has been the Yashica FX-D S300 opening. I can't wait to use it. It looks super exciting, or I will be the most disappointed person in Miami.